That conspired act included their offensive and treasonous plans against morality and trust, brought about a secretive feudal law coup. The intent of this predacious junta, the perpetrators, via the function of this peonage and slavery inducing coup, was this. It was to indicate an imposter and de facto political order that manifested as an imposter government. Wow. Let me tell you something. Look, a junta is I'm dropping this vocabulary here, and it's, so let me slow it down. It's a military or political group that rules a country after taking power by force. That's what a junta is. When you hear me say junta, and it is a junta. So the intent was to initiate this imposter de facto political order, this imposter government. The said de facto political order would be directed against the de jure, the allodial of the land, the allodial law. That would be you. The actors' plans involved the intent to legislate under the color of authority. Whenever you hear color, it means fake out, that which is not real. On the surface, you're this, but substantively, you're nothing. Under the color of authority. And to act to rule against the interests of the people and against the American Constitution. And this is all the people. All the people. Their imposter order was deemed to corrupt the honorable nature of the supreme law of the land and the treaty. You see, you gotta read the treaty. I'm just going to read straight from the Constitution because it binds all the treaties that the so-called founding fathers made with the people who were already here under the empire. They were under the empire of Morocco. And I'm reading Article 6, and it's called Prior Depths in National Supremacy, Oath of Office. So let me just tell you this. The copper-colored people, the Asiatic people, the Native American people, the indigenous people, the Aboriginal people, that would be you. The Moors are the people of the land. You are the nationals. We are the nationals. All debts contracted and engaged entered into before the adoption of this Constitution shall be as valid against the United States under this Constitution as under the Confederation. That's what existed before the Constitution. 2, I'm reading Article 6 of the Constitution. This Constitution and the laws of the United States which shall be made pursuant thereof, and all treaties made or which shall be made under the authority of the United States shall be the supreme law of the land, and the judges in every state shall be bound thereby, and anything in the Constitution of the laws of any state to be contrary, notwithstanding. What is that saying? It's saying the treaty with our ancestors, with our bloodline, with the Sultan of Morocco, that treaty is the supreme law of the land. Well, that treaty is about you and me, and we are supposed to be the primary law of the land. Why? Because we own the land. Great day in the morning. This thing has always been